Hey there and welcome back. If you're watching this, your insurance claim is probably marked under review, and you're wondering whether that's normal or something you should be concerned about. Let me start with this. Most claims under review are handled routinely and resolved without major issues. Reviews are a standard part of the insurance process. But there are specific warning signs that suggest a review may be turning into delays, poor handling, or even a denial. Today, I'll walk you through exactly what to watch for, when to take action, and how to protect yourself without jumping to conclusions too early. What under review actually means. When an insurance company places a claim under review, it usually means they need additional time to verify information, assess damages, or clarify coverage. This can happen because the claim involves a large amount of money, fault or coverage isn't immediately clear, or third parties, like repair shops or medical providers, are involved. For auto claims, reviews are common after serious accidents or disputed fault. For home insurance, they often occur due to storm damage, theft, or multi-contractor repairs. For health insurance, reviews are common for expensive treatments or questions of medical necessity. On its own, this is normal. What matters is how the review is handled. Most states require insurers to acknowledge claims within 15 to 30 days and to request information, approve, or deny within 30 to 45 days after that, depending on the state. Warning signs to watch for. 1. Repeated requests for the same documents. If you've already submitted reports, estimates, or records, and the insurer keeps asking for the same documents, that's a concern. One clarification is normal. 2 requests may still be reasonable. 3 or more requests for identical information are a red flag. It often signals disorganization or delay tactics. 2. Unexplained silence. Insurance companies are required to communicate. If weeks pass with no updates, no explanations, and no requests, especially beyond state timelines, that's not normal handling. Even during long reviews, good insurers stay in contact. 3. Missed timelines. If the insurer gives you a date for a decision or update, they should meet it. Repeatedly missing their own deadlines without explanation suggests poor claim management, and that can work against you. 4. Vague or nonspecific explanations. Phrases like, "We're still investigating," "We need more time," "It's under review," are not explanations. Adjusters should be able to tell you what they're reviewing, why, and what's still needed. If they can't, ask for specifics in writing. 5. Unexplained adjuster changes. Adjuster changes do happen, but frequent changes or switches without explanation can signal your claim is being passed around rather than actively worked on. When this happens, request confirmation that your file has been fully reviewed and nothing has been lost or misplaced. 6. Sudden pressure to settle. Sometimes, after a long review, insurers abruptly push for a quick, low settlement. This can happen when they don't find grounds to deny and shift to minimizing payouts instead. You're entitled to written settlement offers, a clear explanation of how somebody calculated the amounts. Never feel rushed. 7. Late or pressured requests for recorded statements. Recorded statements aren't automatically improper, but timing matters. If these requests come late with short deadlines or heavy pressure, pause and ask why they're needed and how they relate to your claim. What you can do without escalating too early. Document everything: dates, names, calls, emails. Communicate in writing whenever possible. Ask specific questions when delays occur. Request timelines, calmly and professionally. Keep copies of everything you submit. If documents are repeatedly requested, ask why previous submissions were insufficient, and ask for the answer in writing. If timelines are missed, request an explanation and an updated deadline. Knowledge and consistency protect you more than confrontation. Final thoughts. Even when warning signs appear, many claims still resolve with professional, persistent communication. But sometimes a review ends in denial, and when that happens, what you do next matters. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to read a denial letter, your appeal rights, when state insurance departments can help, and when professional assistance actually makes sense. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.